What's good, YouTube? Came down to Roswell today to come look at these cars, man. Look at this interior on this Hellcat 2023 Charger SRT Hellcat wide body jailbreak, $91,000. The base price is $77,000. This is a jailbreak. Let me show y'all. I thought this was a regular one because I didn't see the red eye in it. But this is a jailbreak. Shit. I'm not the biggest fan of that white interior. This is a jailbreak.
Yeah, I was just gonna tell you there's another jailbreak over there.
Yeah, this shit
and
90.
they have a car here that I bet you've never seen.
What?
It's a 1320. Have you heard of that?
This is my first time seeing this. 1320. Shit. It's basically just like a Scat. This steering wheel definitely has like, what is it, like Alcantara? That's different. 2023 Challenger 1320. 55. I gotta look into this and see what's different about it. Oh, look. Drag mode, suspension. Yeah. Drag mode, performance pages. I want to show y'all this real quick. Let me see. I don't even know how to get the miles to come up. 66,000 miles. All right. Let me show y'all. SRT. Leather. It got the sunroof. 66,000 miles now. Remember that. Ooh-wee. Let's get out. 58,000. 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Now remember, we said it got 66,000 miles, but it's 58,000. Is that a deal or what? Ah, fuck. I just get the fuck out that car. Is that a deal or what? And then they got this Hellcat over here, 2021. It's the wide body Hellcat with like the peanut butter interior. Ah, it's locked. But they got the peanut butter interior. And then show y'all this one. 2023 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. This is 2023 wide body Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I'm pretty sure it's the jailbreak. Okay. You can see it say last call. SRT. What y'all think about this one? This shit probably hard. Money wasn't an issue. Out of all the cars they got sitting out here, this would be the one. Sheesh. Carbon fiber on there. The wheels. They got like a cheetah print. But nah, this is hard. They got the sunroof. 2023. Like I said, money wasn't an issue. I'll take that one. Just because it's the 2023. And then this is gonna be my second choice. They got 392s. This is the Super B. If you haven't seen the Super B, yeah, the Super B on the seat. 392 wide body. Still got the plastic on it. Hellcat jailbreak. Another wide body. Man, they got the cars here, man. This is like the only dealership that I know of that has all of these. This is a jailbreak Hellcat. This is a 1320. This is like the drag strip version of the Scat. Let's see. Look at them tires. They got a bunch of cars here. I think they got some Trackhawks here on the inside. I think they got a Demon on the inside. Palmer Dodge. They got the cars here, man, I'm telling you. All the Scats, all the Hellcats, everything. This dealership got so many cars. They got this, I want to say that's a C7 Vet. I don't even know what to call that. That's a 2005 Vet, though. They got some Z06s, this red one. They got this lime green one. This white one. This black one. But it's not C8, though. I like these way better. It's a Grand Sport. But I prefer those more than I prefer the C8s. It's another C8 over here. They got the new Dodge Hornet. This is where all your RTs and your V6s at. Let's see. They also got some GT 500s. Porsche, Range Rover, if that's what you're into. The California Special GT. This is the 500 that they got. Look at that C8 they got right here. Oh boy. Oh damn. This ain't even got no back seat. Huh. I did not know that. Damn.
That bitch comes with Ford Performance. You don't even gotta.
I didn't realize these did not have back seats. Very interesting. They got a ZL1. That's locked. They got the ZL1. They got everything here. But we about to go to another dealership.